Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a girl Mercy. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to talk about, should a lawyer accept all briefs? Now the thing about practice is a bit complicated in the sense that a lot of people put in religious beliefs in their practice. I'm not saying it's not bad, it's good, depending on what you want. But at the same time, we must be able to tell ourselves what we want and pursue it with all vigor. Now, if, for example, because of your religious inclination, maybe you're not permitted to handle cases like divorce, criminal matters, murder case, and maybe drug issues, NDLE matters, that is perfect, that is nice, but that shouldn't mean you should condemn others who are handling it. Or when such briefs comes to you, you tell them, I don't handle them, please go away. You can refer them to lawyers who handle it. Now, so I'm saying that if, for example, you are not by your faith, by virtue of your faith, you're not allowed to do other cases, some cases, then have a network of lawyers. It could be young lawyers, it could be older lawyers who you can refer these matters to. Besides, everyone is entitled to a lawyer. Yeah, depending, it doesn't matter whether it's a criminal case, a civil case, or whatever. Everyone has that constitutional right. So, as a lawyer who is a minister in the temple of justice, you have a duty to refer such matters to other lawyers. Now, this is Lawyers Info Hub. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, share this video, because the information I share here are stuff that will help you in your practice to become not just a smart lawyer, but an excellent lawyer. Now, as a lawyer, you also have a duty to the profession. You have a duty to yourself. You have a duty also to the courts. What I will suggest you can do also is to have young lawyers who you think you are mentoring or who you are supporting their practice. Yes, as a senior lawyer, you can support somebody's practice. That way, if there are cases, I have seen lawyers who don't handle property matters, tenancy issue, managing of property, they don't do that. But when they have cases like that, they refer it. That way, in as much as you don't want it, you're helping another person's practice grow. That way, we are helping ourselves. And that is really a good way to support the young ones. It's not really in a monetary or you give them money or something. No, your ability to refer a matter to someone and you're satisfied that the person will do it well is also a plus. Now, I am not in support of you referring a matter to someone you know is not competent. Competence is key, because when you refer people, there is this trust. They feel, well, I don't need to bother myself to do maybe the background checks on this lawyer. Can this lawyer do this work? For the fact this lawyer was referred to me by so person, I have this trust that the person would deliver. So this is also a call to the young lawyers, to every other person. You have to be competent, because if someone entrusts you with a job and believes that you're going to do it well, and at the end of the day you didn't do it well, you're not just letting yourself down, you're also letting the person who referred the job to you, you're letting the person down. Another thing too I have to say with respect to should the lawyer accept all briefs is the fact that there are some briefs you don't know about. Someone might come to you and say, okay, I want to adopt a child, and you're not versed with issues of adoption law, the family law, and all of that. You must not take the brief. Yes. Why would you want to take a brief you don't know nothing about? And I know some clients, you might say, okay, I can do it, and you go about asking people, good if you can. But most times you are going to do trial and error. Unless you know someone who, this person is the guru in this area. Once I go to this person, I'm going to get what I want. But if you're not sure of who to reach out to, you don't know how to go about, instead of you to do a try and error stuff, I suggest you can refer the person. And maybe together you can do that job with the person you referred it to. Maybe you can share the professional fees. That way you have learned that area of law and have also benefited financially. That way, next time we are faced with such a brief, you can do it comfortably, do it, because you partook in doing it the last time. So if you're not knowledgeable in an area of law, it's not a do or die affair. You can refer the matter to someone else and tell the person, I'll be referring matters to you, the ones I'm not versed with. You will be sharing the professional fees. It's a good way. But the essence is the beauty of all this is that, yeah, this the person's matter is going on well. This is Lawyers Info Hub. I appreciate you. Keep watching.